bulb in his head. Why? Well, to help the reader understand, or for the reader to make the connection that this is Thomas Edison, because we already have that knowledge that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, right? That is why the author decided to add that graphic, that picture. Does that make sense? That is what we're going to be doing today. So lo que vamos a hacer hoy es nada, no vamos a leer el libro, no vamos a leer la historia, vamos a mirar las fotos, vamos a mirar las gráficas, vamos a mirar palabras que resaltan, vamos a analizar, vamos a hacer esto para poder entender la historia antes de leerla. Porque a veces cuando estamos leyendo, ignoramos todas estas cosas que el autor incluyó y no hacemos esas conexiones, porque por algo las puso ahí. Y es lo que vamos a hacer hoy. Okay, are you ready? Do we need to do a little stretch before we get started? Let's go ahead and do it. Take months, and then some rotate
8 months and 1 day.
that it takes like 10 days. Do you guys hear me? Okay, so the apparent movement, it seems as if the sun is moving across Earth, but that's not the case. The sun is there. It does not move. It's there. It is a rotation of the Earth that makes it seem as if the sun is moving. Now, that is also responsible for the shadows. We said if we're here and the sun is rising from the east, we can see the shadow casting where? Here in front or in the back?
Under the back.
Right? So it's right here. It's already, it's the daytime. It's coming up. So we can see the shadow right here. And it's a long shadow. Then as the sun goes up, the shadow becomes smaller, 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 until it's on top and there's no more shadow. Then once it goes to the west, right? Because it rises on the east and then it sets on the west. Once it goes to the west, starts to, says the equation y equals x plus 2.8 can be used to determine why the final score of a gymnastic competition. Entrants were awarded additional bonus point for their overall performance, which table shows the correct relationship between x and y. So we know that x plus 2.8 would have to give me y. So all we need to do is check 65.2 plus 2.8. 10. And since we're adding, we need to make sure that the decimals are aligned. I bring down the decimal, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 6. So that's 68. Is that correct?
No.
No. So this one's, we eliminate it. Okay, G plus 2. And then guys, right here, I can eliminate it right off the bat. Why?
Because it's a number way bigger than that.